Hi, I'm Divya, Assistant Professor Biomedical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about categories of robotic gripper. In the previous video, we have shown the end effectors and the grippers. What do you mean by grippers? And now we are going to see about the robotic grippers. What are the kind of robotic grippers we have? Impactive. That we have four types: impactive, ingressive, abstractive, conjugative. Impactive, ingressive, abstractive, cognitive, conjugative. Okay, what is impactive? Jaws or claws which physically grasp by direct impact upon the object. Okay, where the jaws or claws which physically grasps by directly impact upon the object, where the end effector, that is the gripper, directly grips or picks up, grasps the object is called impactive. Okay, and it is ingressive. Pins, needles or hankles which physically penetrates the surface of the object. Okay, pins, needles or hankles which physically penetrates the surface of the object, used in textile, carbon and glass fiber handlings. These are the things which is used in textile, carbon and glass filter handling. Next is attractive. Attractive forces applied to the object's surface, whether by vacuum, magneto-electro-adherence. Okay, attractive force applied to the object's surface. It is an attractive force applied to the object's surface, whether by vacuum or any other thing. Okay, conjugative. Requiring direct contact for adhesion to take place, such as glue, surface tension or freezing. Okay, which is used for gluing, where it is used for gluing part, surface tension or freezing items. These types of grippers are used. Next is mechanism. What mechanism we are using in the grippers? Generally, the gripping mechanism is done by the grippers or mechanical fingers. The gripping mechanism is done by, it is known as gripper or a mechanical finger. Two fingers gripper tends to be used for industrial robots. Two finger grippers, okay, are used for industrial robots, which is used for performing specific tasks in less complex applications. Okay, two fingers grippers are used for industrial applications. We can see that in very many places we will have only two grippers. We will just grip in this two space, in these two fingers, and it will place into another part. These fingers are replaceable. Once the fingers that is grippers are damaged, it can be replaceable. The shape of the fingers, that is gripping surface, can be chosen according to the shape of the object to be manipulated. Okay, the shape of the grippers, right? Grippers or a finger that can be chosen according to the object which is to be picked or manipulated. Okay. Next, level of force. At what level of force the grippers to pick the item? If the force is more comparing to the object which is to be picked, the picked object will be damaged. So it will not have any use in using that kind of grippers, right? According to the object size and the velocity, object size, weight, and according to the shape of the object, the grippers can be manufactured. Though there are numerous forces acting over the body that has been lifted by the robotic arm, the main force is a frictional force. Okay, frictional force. The gripping surface can be made of a soft materials with high coefficients of friction so that the surface of the object is not damaged. Okay, as I told you already, while gripping the object, the surface should not be damaged, the placing surface should not be damaged, and also the object should not get damaged. According to that, the grippers will be manufactured. The robotic grippers must withstand not only the weight of an object but also acceleration and the motion that is caused by frequent movement of the object. Once while moving the object, if another item is placed in this picking place, it has to move to this place, right? While moving it also, it should not damage that object which is present over there. Likewise, the grippers should be manufactured. This is the level of force, how the level of force of a gripper to be manufactured. F is equal to ma divided by mu n. F is the force required to the gripper of the object. Force required to grip the object. M is mass of the object which is to be picked. A is an acceleration of the object. Mu is the coefficient of friction, and n is the number of fingers in the grippers. N is the number of fingers. According to the fingers, the object to be designed. According to the object, the fingers to be designed. F is equal to m a plus g divided by mu n. Excuse me. These are the tools. Tools is that the grippers. Okay. The end effectors that can be used as tools serves various purposes, including spot welding, as I told you, right? Spot welding in an assembly, spraying paintings while where ununiform of painting is necessary, and other purpose where the working conditions are dangerous for human beings. Okay, where mainly these robots can work is that where the human beings cannot perform, which is hazardous for human being, and where the place human people cannot reach, those places these robots can be used, and these robots arms, that is grippers, or these two kind of tools can be used to perform that specific tasks. Surgical robots have end effectors that are specifically manufactured for the purpose. As I told you already, laparoscopic surgery contains the end effector or a gripper which is used to grip the unwanted tissues in the body and to remove the tissues in that. Likewise, according to the application, the grippers can be designed according to it. Thank you.